The Ford Ranger's electric tonneau cover, also known as a roller shutter, can sometimes lose its calibration or stop functioning correctly. This often happens after a battery disconnection, power surge, or if something obstructs its path. Resetting it recalibrates the motor and sensors, resynchronizing the cover's open and closed positions. You can often resolve these issues yourself. First, park on a level surface and ensure the truck bed is clear. Then, disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the electronics. For 2024 Plus models with Ford Pass, you may also have the option to perform a remote reset within the app. After the reset, manually recalibrate the electric tonneau cover. Start with the cover fully closed, then press and hold the open-close button for about 5 to 10 seconds. The motor should cycle twice, indicating recalibration mode. Then manually guide the cover through its full range of motion, from fully open to fully closed, while the motor engages. This resyncs the sensors. Remember, never force the cover manually, as this can damage the motor. For more advanced reprogramming, use an OBD2 tool like ForScan to access the module PIDs and initiate a learn cycle. If problems persist, consult a Ford service bulletin or a certified mechanic.